Hey, good morning everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this is Free Trader. Here is my channel, and I wanna do a quick update on Intel. Few weeks ago I talked about Intel stock. I was saying if Intel was a buy or not, so I gave my point of view. But today I just wanna take you back to the chart so we can do some update on Intel. That's what I want to be doing. I just don't want to talk about stock and leave it like that. I want to give some update on the stock so we can see how the stock is moving actually. Okay, so let's get into the chart and see how Intel is moving. So okay, this is a monthly chart of Intel, and Intel, as I said in the last video, okay, concerning Intel, I said Intel was hitting these support level. So, and I said Intel might be a good buy at this level, but it's up to each one of us to do our own analysis. So as for me, I got an Intel around this level. So as soon as I did that, like few days ago, Intel start moving. So Intel right now, it is up around this level, this 52 53 okay level. But I'm gonna go down to the daily chart so we can see it properly. Okay, this is the daily chart of Intel. So I call Intel around this level. When it came and hit this support level first, I saw it like few months ago, a few weeks ago. I didn't touch it. I want to see a little bit of confirmation. Then it came at this level again. That's when I post that video and I say Intel is due for an uptrend. Why? Because this is holding this support level, and this is what Intel did. Almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Almost 8 days in a row, Intel has gained. It has been bullish. It has gained a lot of money. And Intel right now, if you have bought at this level, you might be up like $8, you might be up like $7. Okay, that's just the quick update that I want to give you. And I know a lot of beginners that watch my YouTube channel, they don't understand my strategy, because a lot of people like buying at the top. And my strategy is simple. This is the same thing I have been doing years after years, and I'm getting a better result. So I'm going to tell you, the way I invest is quite a bit different. Not a lot of people buy the dip. So I like buying the dip because I want to relax. I don't want to buy at the resistance and then start struggling if the stock fall. Nah, I don't do that. Okay, I buy at support and give the stock some time to move. That's why. And as I said in the other video, I don't buy any type of stock. I buy blue chip stock, well established stocks. Those are the ones that I buy. So the way I invest, and I'm gonna repeat it again, I invest for the long term. But if I'm in profit, and I see it's a good amount of profit, I can take them and wait for the stock to pull back again. Then I got in again. So with this move, Intel gave me a good profit on my investment, almost something like 60% on my investment right now. So I'm happy with it. I can take it, or can just put a trailing stop loss right here. If Intel want to come down, I'll get out of it. It doesn't mean because I invest for a long term, I can take my profit. I can take my profit anytime. That's the quick update that I want to give you. And always do your own diligence before you invest your money. I don't recommend anyone to buy any security without doing your personal analysis. Okay, that's the only thing that I have for you. And have a beautiful weekend, and I will see you in the next video.